Hi everybody, it's Soap Man Saturday morning and it's time to make some soap. So what I hope to do today is one I've done before. I saw it on Soap Queen a long time ago, and I've done it a few times just with my own variation. I've always done it in my tall skinny mold. I've never done it in my slab mold, but it should be a fairly simple soap. The basic idea is to get it emulsified and split roughly in half. And the bottom half will be pink. This is Brambleberry's electric bubble gum, which is a really bright hot pink that I don't want, but it tones down nicely with some titanium dioxide. And then I'll texture it, and then I'll put a gold mica vein with one of my favorites to do that with, Nurture Soap's shimmer gold. Then we'll put a white top on it and texture it and put some poppy seeds on the top. Going to scent this with Brambleberry's Rose Quartz. Used this for several years. I smell no rose whatsoever in it. It smells very bright and citrusy to me, and that carries over into the soap, and it holds up well. Slightly accelerates, which is actually good in this case because I'm going to want some thick layers. So let me get my goggles on and let's just get started. Usual procedure. Pour my lye water into my oils, a very light emulsification, and split it off. Color it, scent, and pour it. So make just a little bit of noise. That is good. I will stick blend more because first of all I want it thick, and I'm using quite a good bit of titanium dioxide that I'm going to want well mixed. So let's pour off for the bottom base, which is going to be the pink. Set that aside. Now, I did not mix the pink up just yet because I wanted to do this at the last minute. So I just use a little mini mixer, disperse it in there well. That makes very quick, easy work of mixing that up. Now, I do have to clean this off because I'm going to mix my white up now. And I had to do these opposite direction. I had to do the pink first. So let's mix my Tidox up. And then we will try to achieve the desired pink. So that's way too hot for me. I'm not a big pink fan, but I know a lot of people are. But I want more of a creamy, mellow pink. And a little more than that. That's a little more like what I want. And since I want this to thicken up pretty quickly, I am going to go ahead and put my fragrance in, even though it accelerates a little. I'm not going to worry too much. Stir it in a little. Which actually it's not accelerating right now. But it does, and it will. Hit it quickly with the stick blender. Yeah, it's thickening up a little now. Now that is pourable, which is good because I want it to go ahead and cover the bottom of the mold. But it's going to set up quickly like I want it to. And I have my mold ready. Yeah, that's exactly how I wanted it, because it's going to set up quickly now so I can texture it quickly. Now that's just a little too thin still to texture. So I'm just going to set everything aside. I will worry about that off camera. So folks, I will be back in probably just a couple of minutes while this thickens up a little bit. Okay, so this is working out perfectly so far. I literally had just enough time to get a clean stick blender head and put some mica in my mica sifter, and it is set up and firm and it's ready to put a nice texture on. Nice and firm. All right. Okay, I'll clean that up later. Okay, let's do the top. Now there is more white than pink. It's not going to be half, and that's okay. I mean, that's just truthfully optional, up to you. And my container's not big enough for half anyway, so it's fine. Just going to mix my tie dots up a little more. That's quite a bit. I did a 10% water discount, which I almost always do anyway. That's why this is starting to set up now. I almost always do 10%. But it's really important now because there's a lot of Tidox in this, and I don't want glycerin rivers. So let's put our fragrance in. We'll hand stir it in. Blend it to make sure the Tidox is all well blended up and to help with thickening. And I gotta get this in the mold, but it's just the right texture to pour for a thick batter. I'm not worried about the bottom because it will definitely support this. We'll just kind of get this sort of flat. I'm not too worried about it because I'm going to let it set up and texture it too. And folks, I'll see you in probably 2 minutes. And through the magic of modern technology, 2 minutes have elapsed instantly for you. Let's get some poppy seeds on the top of this. And boy, it does smell good. I do like this fragrance. Some rubbing alcohol to prevent soda ash. I'll spray that in about 5 minutes. There we have it. Doesn't look like a whole lot right now, but it really looks nice in the final bars. So I will see you later for the cut. Thanks for watching. Bye. Okay, so 12 hours later, we're back, ready to cut it. True to form, like always, slick sides. We had a shiny sides. We had a good gel phase. Was really hoping for a whiter white, but, you know, what are you going to do? No big deal. So let's split this and see what we have. Oh, we have some serious glycerin rivers. Even with a 10% water discount. Major glycerin rivers. Have a nice mica vein. So, oh well, try though I did. I almost never have glycerin rivers because of the water discount. And I apparently did not use enough titanium dioxide because it's not a bright white. But, oh well. Let's see, I'm going to cut it on its side to hopefully prevent drag marks. Yeah, oh, we have a very nice mica line in this. Very nice mica line. This would have been great without the glycerin rivers. But we'll just say they give it some character, which they do. The mica line really shows up. And since the other one's going to look the same, that's all I'll cut right now. So anyway, folks, y'all have a great rest of your weekend. And I'll see you next week. Thanks for watching. Bye.